Money Toad or King Money Frog represents a popular Feng Shui charm for prosperity. It is said that this mythical creature appears during full moon near houses or businesses that will soon receive good news. The nature of this good news is understood to be wealth related most of the time. King Money Frog has a lot of different names. Some of the most commonly used names are Wealth Frog, Money Toad, Lucky Money Frog, Fortune Frog, Three-legged Prosperity Toad. The Chinese name for the money frog is Chan Chu. Keep watching this video to know how you can activate your King Money Frog. And guys, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting videos. Quite often the money frog is portrayed as a three-legged toad with a coin in its mouth. It feels as if the toad is ready to jump into the house, bringing all the money. The money frog represents wealth and money in a materialistic way, and because of that, it is beneficial for everyone to place a money frog, whether it is a businessman or a person doing a job. Since Feng Shui is all about correct placement and orientation of tools to attract the best of positive energies towards us, there are certain Feng Shui rules, tips and guidelines that need to be followed while placing a money frog. These rules are there to ensure that the money frog helps you attract money and not flush away all the money that you have got. The money frog is also capable of flushing away everything you have in terms of wealth and money. So here are some tips on what to do and what not to do while placing your money frog. And remember, how do you activate the money frog? We are going to tell that in a short while. So here are the right placement tips and what you should follow in placing the money frog. Money frog should always be placed near the entrance. It should be facing inside towards the house. Placing it in the southeast direction of the living room is good for businessmen. To enhance your career, the money frog should be placed in the northern direction of the living room. It should always be placed on top of a table and not on the floor. Here are some of the tips that you should avoid while placing a money frog. Make sure that if you have only one money frog, it should not be facing outwards towards the main exit of your house. The money frog should not be placed in the bedroom, kitchen or bathroom. Money frog should never be placed on the ground. Make sure the money frog is not broken. A chipped piece will not bring good luck. And lastly, there should be no cutlery near the money frog. Now that you know how to place your money frog, another important thing that you need to know is how to activate it for attracting wealth luck. Activating a money frog is very important. If the money frog is just kept without activating it, most likely it will not attract any good luck towards you. To activate the money frog, just follow these simple steps. Place a coin in the mouth of the frog. Tie a red ribbon around your money frog. This will activate it. If you do not wish to use a ribbon, placing your money frog on a red paper will activate it. If your money frog already has a red ribbon on it, then it is already activated and you do not need to activate it again.